A government by SMS opinion poll. This is something that is largely unprecedented in India's democracy. Is this just political gimmickry or is it a revolutionary new way of doing politics? Joining us on the show tonight, leading light of the Aam Aadmi Party, Prashant Bhushan, squaring off against him, Sudhanshu Mittal of the BJP. I want to go across first to Prashant Bhushan. The reality, Mr. Bhushan, is, and I hope that you'll be honest and candid on our program tonight. The reality, sir, is that senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party have already decided that in principle they are willing and they're prepared to form the next government in Delhi. But because you made a public pronouncement earlier that you will not tie up with the BJP or the Congress, therefore you are now going into the public court just to ratify a decision that's already been taken. Is this not hypocrisy at some level? You've taken a decision, you're prepared to form the government, say so, and go ahead and form the next government. Why resort to such shenanigans, Mr. Prashant Bhushan? Prashant?
Well, Rahul, you must understand that this is a vexed and complex issue. There are pros and cons. Yeah, hi. Rahul.
Go on, we can hear you fine. Yeah, we can hear you fine. Please go on.
This is a vexed and complex issue, and therefore, because we don't have a majority, we don't have a majority, we are dependent upon outside support of either the Congress or the BJP for continuing in government, because if they get together, then they can bring down our government at any time. They cannot allow our confidence motion to pass. They can stymie any either legislative initiatives that we take by way of a Lokpal bill or any other decentralized direct democracy, the Mohalla Sabha bill, or even reforms in the Electricity Act, scrapping of the Water Privatization Act, which are the centerpiece of our manifesto, on the basis of which we had gone to the people, on the basis of which the people have sent 28 of our MLAs into this legislative assembly. Therefore, in these circumstances, for us to form the government is an issue which comes with lots of problems. Therefore, when the Lieutenant Governor called us to form the government on the basis of the outside support given by the Congress party, which we were given to understand was supposed to be unconditional support, then we asked the Congress party as well as the BJP, because the BJP was saying that they will give us constructive support, that what do you mean by this? Does it mean that you would be willing to support our version of the Lokpal bill? Does it mean that you are willing to support our model of decentralized direct democracy through Mohalla Sabhas, to scrap the water privatization bill, etc.? Because we have not come into politics in order to just come in government and become ministers and enjoy the perks of office, etc. In fact, this party was very reluctantly got into electoral politics. We had no intention of doing so.
Okay, you made the opening argument on the program tonight, and you're saying that since this is a party of the people and by the people, Sudhanshu Mittal, therefore